Alright guys, quick video today. I just wanted to share some knowledge that I discovered on YouTube real quick. So pretty much I'm trying to get some spark plugs out. 3 of them were seized, so I heated up the engine, tried removing it then, didn't work. Used some penetrating oil, let that sit overnight. That also didn't work. And every tutorial on YouTube that I saw talking about seized spark plugs never talked about this trick that I just found. I'm using a torque wrench here to make sure I don't go above 70 pound-feet of torque because I got out the first seized plug with 70 pound-feet of torque. So I'm making sure I don't go over 70 to make sure I don't strip the heads. It's kind of like a little safety precaution. So the trick I'm about to show you worked on the second seized plug. So now I'm going to try to do it on the third one and show you guys. So here it is. This is the last spark plug. And I don't want to go harder than that. So what we're going to do is take the smallest hammer you got or a rock and just tap on the top. Just little vibrations. We're going to see if that worked. Oh, look at that. That sounded kind of bad, but no, that's loose. Dude, that trick totally works. So pretty much I imagined that the combustion chamber pushes the spark plug upwards into its threads like really hard. So you need some force going back down, and clearly that works. So you could probably even hit harder with the hammer if it doesn't work. And just like that. Well, this guy's burnt, dude. Gross. Anyway, that's my trick. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. And stay tuned for more fixing on this car. Or hopefully you just learned some good knowledge that you should keep sharing on YouTube. Because, that's helpful. Anyway, take care. Oh, there goes the spark plug. Anyway, take care, guys. See you in the next one.